domestic sewing machine. F is compact, elegant, for beginning and advanced sewers alike. You can create a variety of fun projects with it. Its features include 20 different stitches, reverse sewing, adjustable high and low speed, sewing sleeves, automatic, built-in sewing light, thread cutter, drawer, change the presser foot to sew different fabrics and crafts. It's small size, but with multiple functions. You can use it to change the old cloth and make a unique new one, or make yourself a favorite pillow, small clothes for pets or dolls, a cute cup mat, curtains, bags, etc. It would be a good helper for your living. Now, in case you have trouble in using the machine, we will go over some common problems and the solutions. Important safety instructions. 1. Always disconnect from the power supply when changing the needle. 2. Children should only use the appliance with adult supervision. 3. Never run the machine when there's a thread in the needle, but no fabric on the machine. This could damage the machine. 4. Don't use the machine outdoors. 5. Whenever the sewing machine is not in use, make sure it is switched off and unplugged from the power supply. 6. Keep the machine in a dry and ventilated place. 7. This machine is not a toy. 8. Don't disassemble the machine unless you're professional. 9. Turn off switch and unplug the adapter when you're not using the machine.